cheetah dash. Get in your speedy pose. Ha! Crouch low and ready. 1, 2, 3. 3, and go, go, go! Run fast like a cheetah. Go, go, zoom, zoom, zoom. Go, 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 zoom, zoom, zoom. Go, 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 zoom, zoom. Fastest cheetahs in the jungle. Oh no, the path is twisty. Switch to slow mode. Slow like a cheetah on a lazy day. Stretch and reach so slow. Slow, slow, cheetah crawl. Now fast again, yay! We did it! Fast and slow, cheetah pro! We found the oasis. Time for a swim. Time for a swim. Do-do-do. Time for a swim. Do-do-do. Kick my legs. Do-do-do-do-do. Swing my arms. Do-do-do-do-do-do. And swing and blow bubbles too. Kick and swing and blow bubbles too. Swing and blow bubbles too. Kick and swing and blow bubbles too. Now let's rest and breathe. Like a hippo underwater, let's practice deep breathing.
Big hippo breath in through your nose.
And slow exhale. Now elephant trunk. Long, slow breath. On the way out. Butterfly wings. Breathe in, flap and breathe out. Hippo, elephant, lion, butterfly. Breathe with me. In and out we feel so calm and strong. We slam and breathe like jungle friends. Yay! All our jungle friends are here to play. The way we stretch our necks, giraffe style. This is the way we stretch our necks, giraffe style. This is the way we balance tall flamingo friends. This is the way, look. This is Tommy, big and strong, big and strong. This is the mode, yeah, this is the way we run so fast. Cheetah dash.
Whoa, like a cheetah too.
This is the way we swim and kick.
This is the way we kick and rise and rock. This the way we breathe so deep.
Hippo belly belly breath. In through your nose. You hold and slow exhale. Now elephant trunk. Long, slow breath in and out. Lion's breath. Big inhale. Hippo, elephant, lion, butterfly, breathe with me. Hippo, elephant, lion, butterfly, breathe with me.
This song, in and out this song. This is the way we learn and play in the jungle every day.
Thank you for adventuring with us. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.